this is your view channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish is called the steamed beef. Chinese name called 粉蒸牛肉. The main ingredients we need is a piece of beef, a small piece of beef, and 2 scallion or green onion, and 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, and a small sweet potato already peeled the skin, and some crushed corn. If you have corn, you just use ground it. Get some. You probably need a quarter cup, and the rice. Any rice is okay. We need a quarter cup of rice, and Sichuan chili paste. You can buy from Asian market. They call it chili paste, sometimes called chili sauce. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut scallion. This scallion are already washed and peeled the dead leaves. Right now we cut the root off. We cut it from here. Just the white part and the leaf part. The white part we cut. We just chop it as small as possible, just like this. This is the chopped ginger and white part of scallion or green onion we get. Okay, we cut the leaf part. This leaf part we will use for decoration. First, we get the leaf part and roll it. Then roll it like this. Then we slice, cut it very thin, as thin as possible. Okay, we add it to the cold water. We do this. We just repeat the same thing. Fold it, yeah, and just slice it as thin as possible. This leaf we just use to decoration, so try to cut as thin as possible. Those are the leaves we get. We soak in the water and for decoration. Okay, we cut the sweet potato. The sweet potato are already washed and peeled skin. You can use a sweet potato or pumpkin. It's all up to you. So we cut it sweet like this. Then roll it. And roll it. And roll it. And roll it. Just cut this big, not bigger than this. Those are sweet potato we get. We cut the beef. This beef, you can see the fiber and muscle fiber grow like this way. And we could cut from the middle first. Probably need to sharpen the knife. Okay, we cut the beef. We cut against the fiber. So we cut it like this. So the final beef will be like this. This is the beef we get. Okay, we're seasoning the beef. Add a pinch of salt, don't add too much. This is the black pepper. We add some black pepper to it. Don't add too much pinch. This is the cooking wine. We add not more than a half tablespoon. If you don't have this, you add a little beer or any alcohol. It's okay. Even red wine. But don't add too much. Add just okay, half tablespoon. This is vegetable oil. We add probably half tablespoon vegetable oil to it. Okay, we just seal it and let it stew there. We use a plastic to wrap it and to seal it and put it in a room temperature for 15 minutes, or you can put it in the fridge, it's up to you. Okay, we turn the stove, turn to fan, medium fire. Add the rice into the pot, into the pan. A quarter cup rice. And also the crushed corn. So also add a quarter cup to it. And use a spatula to slowly fry it, to stir fry it. Maybe 10 to the 6. I try not to burn the rice and the crushed corn. Slowly fry. We want it very dry. This is the Sichuan peppercorn. We add half tablespoon Sichuan peppercorn to the rice and corn. Okay, we stir fry it. You can try the rice. You feel the rice is become very crispy, and is peppercorn, Sichuan peppercorn or Chinese peppercorn, and really good smell and half the stew. Okay, we add some fried rice and crushed corn and peppercorn into the grinder. We don't want to get pounder. We just want it to be small pieces. Okay, just like this. Just like this, be done. Don't brown too long. This is the rice and crushed corn and peppercorn after we ground it. Yeah, we just don't want it too small. Just like cut like this. Still have some big pieces or small pieces. It's a mixture. We use it. Turn the stove. And 10 to 6, medium fire. This is a vegetable oil. We add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. Rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the scallion, the wet part, and the ginger into it. And stir fry. That is a ginger scallion with good smell. This is the Sichuan chili paste, and we add 1 tablespoon to it. Slowly fry. That is a chili paste, and release the red color, and also release good smell. So we just slowly fry. When the scallion, ginger, and the chili paste release the red oil, red color, turn off the stove. This is the ground rice, corn, and peppercorn we added to it. Remember, turn off the stove and add the beef into it. Okay. This is stir fry and let the beef coated with ground corn, rice, and peppercorn and the seasoning. This is a chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it One too much. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. One too much. Okay, mix. Because we already add a little salt to season in the beef, so we don't need to add more salt because the chili sauce also has salt. So chili paste also has salt in it, so we don't need to add too much salt to it. Okay, we put this in the bowl. Careful. This is the sweet potato, we put it on the top. We can't use this much, we just add some to cover the beef. Now we will steam it the meat. When we steam it, we want to add water, and there's a steamer in it. We want to add the water above the steamer, probably 3 inches above the steamer, but not over the bone. Even the bone you put into it have the meat and the sweet potato, but the water not over the bone, but still have probably 2 inches to the top of the bone. So we want to add more water. We don't want to have a dry pot. This is very important. If you have a dry pot, you need to be very careful. Watch it. If there's no steam come out, that means you have a dry pot. Turn off the stove. Wait when it's cooled down. Get the stuff out and add water. And get the stuff out, add water, and steam again. Let it steam totally over 1 hour. Then the meat will be done. This is very important. I have a dry pot today. I watch it very careful. So I get the stuff out and steam it again. Bowl into the pot. If you have, and then we use a plate to cover it. If you don't have a plate, you can use a aluminum foil to wrap it. We cover it. And push it, it's okay. Okay, push it. And then we put the lid on. Turn the fire to the high fire. When it starts boiling, steam come out, then we count the time. Now you can see the steam right now come out, constantly come out from the pot, between the lid and the pot. Now we set the timer for 1 hour. After 1 hour, open the lid and turn off the stove. Try to lift up the plate. Careful, it's very hot. Okay. Get the ball out. Put the plate out on the bowl. Oh, careful. Okay. Turn it over quick. Oh. The knife. Okay. You can check the meat. Oh. Now I put the leaves, drain the water on top. Okay, now the steamed beef, Chinese name called 粉蒸牛肉, this dish is done. And I hope you like it, and please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.